CNC machine or computer numerical control machine is a machine used in the manufacturing industry to quickly produce large quantity of components for the engineering sector. Making objects or parts such as a nut, bolt, square, and so on. CNC machine operation. CNC treatment. In a CNC machine, there is a computer that is used to process image or design of a component that is about to be created. The image is then converted into a composite program that can be read by a CNC machine afterward. After that, the machine will automatically process the finished goods needed. Its program is stored in the computer memory. The program in the charge can easily read code and edit the program as required. This program can be used for different sections, and they don't need to be repeated over and over again. How to properly manage the machine, or how to operate it, the parts the most great for include engine body cleanliness, table bolt, screw lubricants for air cylinders on the spindle, air filter on the rear panel walls, and other. Example number 1. The lid should not be exposed to direct sunlight. Number 2. In the implementation of lid maintenance such as replacing engine lubricating oil and applying grease, it is required to use the oil required by the engine manufacturer. Number 3. After finishing operating the lathe, clean the machine parts from the cutting results and the coolant. Number 4. Mounting the workpiece on the main shaft. It is not permissible to hit the workpiece hard using a hammer. Number 5. Take a pay close attention during the operation of the lathe. Do not let the soft and hard parts, especially the burnt iron parts, fall onto the machine table and are carried away by the sliding. Number 6. When finished operation, the machine shut all handles and turn off the power source of the lathe. A CNC lathe is a machine that can be used using pre-adjusted programming, so that operators don't have to use their hands to work. The way this machine works starts when a programmer can manually design the parts of the tools he wants to make. A CNC lathe is a machine that uses a computer program where the CNC operation is computerized numeric control. It is a machine tool automation system that is operated by abstract programmed commands and stored in the storage media.